Hey there, YouTube. Today I'm working on my 377 Peterbilt here with this quad east end dump. So we got some problems here as far as got an airbag leaking and some turn signals that keep blowing the fuse. So today we're gonna take a peek at this. Right now it's currently like 9 o'clock at night. I'm trying to get this thing going for tomorrow morning. So we're gonna get cracking at it. First we're gonna start with the airbag, pull it off, and then because if I gotta run to town to get parts, then I can bring that with, swap it out, get the right stuff for this and for all the relay stuff. I'm assuming it's a relay or a plug or something. Let's take a check around the truck, see what we're working on, and then see what we can fix. All right, here we go. So to start out, I'm just walking around the truck, seeing why maybe we have some problems. I see this light got banged up, and it looks like it's already been wire tied up. I'm thinking that might be one of our problems there. Anyways, also when you're having stuff blow on the relay, it's always good to check your connections here. God dang, I should have power washed this thing before I got in the shop. But that's all right. Looks like the plugs there are good and tight. Make sure they're in there. All right, first gonna stop in here. See if we have turn signals. Turn the key on. All right, here's the old Pete. Right now we got nothing. No turn signals. All right, no problem, no problem. So on these Peterbilts, it's down here in the floor here. There's a fuse panel. Shut this thing off. It's annoying. Open this up. And the door actually comes off. There it goes. And let's see here what we got. Left headlight, right headlight, tail, stop, flasher. That could be it there. Could be the flasher. Otherwise, let's see, anything else? Panel lights, horn. Turn signal right there. 25 amp. So we're gonna look at this 25 amp turn signal. We'll be looking at this flasher. Let's see if we can put a 25 amp in and see if it blows. If it does, we're gonna replace that too. Let's replace both of these and see if that blows anymore. If it does, we'll start hunting down lights all over this truck. But yeah, let's start with that. Here we go. So it's hard to see here, but there actually is. There's two here. There's actually one down here. Can you guys see that? Not sure if you can, but there's actually one more down here. That's the flasher. It's hard to see. It's buried in the carpet. There's actually another set of ones down there too. So we're gonna pull this out down here, replace that, and see if that gets us anywhere. We got that bugger out of here. There's some corrosion on here. So anyways, that's probably what the other side of the pin looks like. Too bad you can't really get anything down there to clean it up down there, but we did have a new one later on the shop. I'll grab this one, slap this new one in, see if it fixes our problem. Well, we'll start with that. We pulled out the fuse here too, realize that's blown. We just put the new relay in, let's put the new fuse in, and let's see what goes on from there. All right, we got another fuse in, new relay in. Let's turn the turn signal, let's see if this thing lights up and blows up. That's working. Other side seems to be working. Gonna turn the hazards on. Okay. Both are on. Doesn't seem to be blowing. So the back of the truck's flashing back there. Let's go take a peek at our lights while we got a moment here. What do we got flashing down low? Okay, we're working. Side light working. Rears seem to be working. Man, that flasher flashes quick. That's fine. It looks like this side's going. All right. I think the flasher was our naughty guy there. Yeah. Well, good. Okay, well that's fixed. So after we got the flasher fixed, we're going to we're gonna get back in here, button up this. Then we got an airbag in the tail to crack onto next. All right, turn this off. Nice. All right, I'll button this back up to the airbag. All right, the worst part about airbags, it's not that they're hard to replace. It's actually very simple. It's like just a couple connectors and that's it. I mean, a couple connectors and usually 4 to 6 bolts to hold them on. It's just, they're always just in a very inconvenient spot. Here's the one we got to replace here. No problem. The only problem is right here, hard to see, but that's where the one is. That's how crusty that is. It's also the air inlet. Around the back side, there's another one. On bottom here, there's a couple more we got to pull off right there. Now let's grab a light and we'll get that one pulled off. All right, got a little carb clean here. Give this a fighting chance of opening up at least. Yeah, not sure if that's gonna work or not. We'll see. Cleaned it up. I'm gonna open her up now. Oh, this is how this is going. I was battling this for a while. Couldn't get it to release, so I had to cut some relief cuts in the nut to get her to move. But after I got those reliefs in there, then it finally loosened up. So I got one more on the back side to do, and the ones on the bottom, they look a lot better. They're not so rusty. This, just so much dirt sits up here that it just collects and then it rusts. I'm gonna get this one off. I'm gonna do the same thing here, put a relief cut in this one, and then I'm gonna buzz off the bottom ones and go get an airbag. All right, here we go. Well, we got those off. I highly recommend putting relief cuts in your nuts, especially these old ones. If you just do that, I mean, they come off so much easier. All right, now we just gotta find out what these ones are down here. A couple more there. Let's get these off here. Where is it there? Get these off. There's 4 of them, and then we're going to get a new one. Look, this is a Hendrickson bag. I tell you, this part of the risk on these trucks is being in these awkward positions. Oh, your back is cramped. Oh, but you know what? We're almost done. All right, one left, right here. Let's get you out. Oh, come on. Woo! All right, ready to load it up. Let's take the old Duramax into town, but first, I just bought these about an hour ago, and maybe they're cooling down now. Keeps you going throughout the night. All right, let's go. All right. Oh, that looks better. Look at that. Grab another Coke and back to the shop. Okie dokie. All right, time to get this big guy back in here. All right, get that in. It's the exact same orders that came out, so I'm just gonna throw it in quick and I'll talk to you guys when we're done. Well, just wrapped up this one, airbag. I actually crawled underneath the balls underneath there. I cut the air, adjusted all the brakes on the trailer. I still haven't done the truck yet. Does need a bath and probably should use a greasing, but that's for tomorrow night. It's already past 1 in the morning already. But glad we got the airbag fixed, adjusted the brakes, got the turn signals fixed on the truck. So we're gonna call this one good to roll for tomorrow. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I really appreciate your support. Thanks, bye.